Trash find chainsaw. Hell yeah. Yeah. I don't know if it'll run or not, but yeah, let's see if it'll start up. It's been sitting all winter. Yeah. If it even got any gas in it. Oh, hell. Yeah, she got a little bit of gas. Not much. Huh. We'll put a little gas in her.
Oh, no, holy Moses, I've torn myself.
Whoa!